Hello. Multiplication condition. So these are the multiplication condition as we see in picture. Inputting a decimal number. Inputting a 2-digit decimal number. Move AH, 1, read first digit. Integer 21H. Subtract AL, 0. Convert digit from ASCII code to binary. Move BL, 10. Mul BL. Multiply digit by 10. Move CL, AL. AL हम लोग ने CL की वैल्यू CL के अंदर स्टोर की. Move AH, 1. Read second digit. Integer 21H. Subtract AL, 0. Convert digit from ASCII code to binary. Add AL, CL. AL contain the 2-digit number. It is inputting a decimal number. So this is the example. Next is your division. Unsigned division is div operand and signed division is id operand. If operand is a byte, then div operand is AX/operand. AH is a remainder and AL is a quotient. If operand is a word, then the div operand is DX AX and DX AX operand. अगर वो byte है तो सिर्फ AX/AX डिवाइड बाय operand. अगर word है तो DX AX डिवाइड बाय operand. DX equals to remainder and AX is your quotient. Operand can be general register or memory, cannot be a constant. All flags are undefined. अगर unsigned है तो div operand and sign है तो id operand. Division में divide over 4. If quotient is too big to fit in the specified destination, AL or AX, happens if divisor much smaller than dividend. Program terminates and display if divide is overflow. Example, let dx equals to 000h and ex equals to 00fh and bx equals to ffeh. Then div bx, ax equals to 00 and dx equals to 005. And id bx is ax equals to ffeh and dx equals to 00. अगर overflow हो रहा है तो divide overflow. Examples है उसके id bx and div, that is some part is implicit in the practicals also and the programs. Application: outputting a decimal number, outputting a 2-digit decimal number in AX. So this is the program for that. You can see here move BL, 10, div BL, add AH, 0, converting LS digit to ASCII. Move DH, AH, storing LS digit temporarily. Move AH, 0, div BL, getting most significant digit. Add AH, 0, converting MS digit into ASCII. Move DL, AH, displaying MS digit. Move AH, 2, integer 21H. Move DL, DH, display a least significant digit. And INT 21H. So this is the outputting a decimal number example. Logic instruction. The AND or an XOR instruction perform name bit wise logical operation. And destination comma source or destination comma source XOR destination comma source. So 1010 तो उसका AND जो भी ऑपरेशन है उसका आंसर आता है हमें 1. तो और का ऑपरेशन हमें ये आता है AND करना मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करना, और करना मतलब प्लस करना, एंड एक्सऑर करना मतलब उसकी वैल्यू अलग लेना. 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 is 0 1 and 0 1 is 1 1 आपका क्या आता है 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द एक्सऑर वैल्यू. AND instruction used to clear specific destination bit while preserving others. A0 mask bit clears corresponding destination bit and A1 mask bit preserves corresponding destination bit. और instruction used to set specific and clear करता है और आपका set specific destination bit while preserving others. 1 होगा तो mask bit sets corresponding destination bit और 0 रहेगा तो preserves corresponding destination bit. XOR instruction है तो it is used to complement. AND होगा तो clear specific करता है, और होगा तो set specific destination करता है, और XOR होगा तो complement specific destination bit while preserving others. So A1 mask bit complement corresponding to destination bit, A0 mask bit preserves. ठीक है. So these are the some instruction, logical instruction. Effect on flag: SF, ZF, PF change based on result. AF undefined, CF and OF are 0. Examples है कैसे है logical instructions के. Converting ASCII digit to a number, sub AL, 30H and AL, 0FH. Converting a lowercase letter to uppercase, sub AL, 20H and AL 2. Initializing register with 0. So these are the examples. Next is your not instruction, performs one's complement operation on destination. Syntax not destination has no effect on flag. Test instruction performs an AND operation of a destination with source but does not change destination. It affects the flag like the AND instruction used to examine content of individual bit. Example, to test for even number, test AL, 1. If ZF equals to 1, number is 1. The number is even. अगर zero flag हो गया ना तो number is even. Shift rotate instruction, as we know, left to right shift है. For shift instruction, shifted bits are lost. For rotate instruction, bits shifted out from one end or put back into other end. Okay? अगर shift है तो lost होगा आपका bit. अगर rotate है तो next जगह पे shift होगा. Upcode destination, 1 for single bit shift or rotate. Upcode destination CL for shift or rotate of n bit. Shift instruction, shift left, shift arithmetic left, shift right, shift arithmetic right. Rotate instruction, rotate left, rotate right, rotate left with carry, rotate left with carry. Effects on a flag for shift and rotate instruction. SF, PF, ZF changes based on result. AF undefined, CF last bit shifted, OF 1 if sign bit changes on single bit shift. Example आप लोग देख सकते हो SHR AL, 1 7FH. So these are the example for shifting. Multiplication and division by shift. Multiplication by shift, that is not so much important, so you cannot go through. Just I am telling you, multiplication by left shift. A left shift by 1 bit double the destination value, that is multiplies it by 2. Division by right shift. A right shift by 1 bit it and rounds down to the nearest integer, that is divides it by 2. Examples है उसके. Multiply sign content of AL by 70. Flow control instruction, unconditional jump, jump label, IP label, conditional jump, sign jump, unsigned jump and common jump. Sign jump, JG, JNLE jump if greater than or jump if not less than or equal. JGE jump if greater than or equal, JNL jump if not less than. JL jump if less than, JNGE jump if not greater than or equal. JLE jump if less than or equal, JNG jump if not greater than. So these are some flow instruction. Unsigned jump, single flag jumps. So J है तो jump if above or jump if not below or equal, jump if above or equal or jump if not below, jump if below or jump if not above or equal, jump if below or equal or jump if not above. Single flag jump, JZ, jump if equal, jump if equals to 0, jump if not equal or jump if not equal to 0, jump of carry, jump if no carry. So these are the lot of instruction. Jump if overflow, you can read these, that is a flow interval instruction. Single flag jump with JS, JNS, JP, JNP. Jump based on CX, JC, XZ. Loop instruction, loop, loop NZ, loop NE, loop. All jump instruction have no effect on the flag. Branching the structure, if else loop है आपका इस तरह से. Then if then else, cases. Branching with these things are always not asked in your exam, but for your reference purpose, that is a for loop, while loop, repeat loop, application of loop. The stack. In the stack we have a one-dimensional data structure. Items added and removed from one end. Last in first out होता है. Instruction है आपकी push, pop, push F and pop F. Push and pop have one operand. 16-bit register or memory word. Byte operands are not allowed. Constant operands are not allowed. Stack instruction है push operand की इस तरह से है. SP points at the top of the stack. Dot stack 100H, that is SP is initialized to 100H. Push operand, pop operand, push F and pop F. So these are the examples for stack instruction. reversing a string. This is all are the programs. What are the procedure? Procedure declaration, name, proc, type and body of the procedure. Procedure type, near, statement that calls procedure in same segment with the procedure. Far, statement that call procedure in different segment. Default type is near. Procedure invocation, call name. So this is the procedure. Executing a call instruction causes save written address on the stack, near procedure push IP, far procedure push CS. IP gets the offset address of the first instruction of the procedure. CS gets the new segment number if procedure is fast. So these are the something that is transfer control calling the calling procedure for near procedure pop IP and for large far procedure pop. This is the things. By value using register, passing parameter to register by value using register, by address using register, using the stack, copy, SP or BP. So this is the example for the procedure. For the string instructions, these are all the string instruction. Copying a string to another. So these are all the copying the string to another in a reverse order. So this is a way of writing a program. So as I know you, this is a 5th chapter. So some of the practical part I will explain into the practicals also. The program, like I will give you the main programs. In that program, I will give you the all 8-bit addition that is already added up in your manual. So you can see this program, always ask this. So this is now we will end up with the 5th chapter. Thank you.